How to use dark mode in Google Docs. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Dark mode can help reduce eye strain and improve readability in low light conditions. In order to do so on mobile device, it is quite simple. You just have to launch the application on your smartphone, tap on the three horizontal lines also known as hamburger icon in the top left corner. Then go to gear icon for settings and you will see a theme section. Tap on choose theme and you will see three options: dark, light and the system default. Select on the dark mode, open any of your Word file and you will say it has been changed to the dark mode. Unfortunately, Google Docs on the web does not have a built-in dark mode, so you can enable it using a browser feature or extension. You can search for Force Dark Mode for web contents and enable it. Additionally, you can also install browser extensions like Dark Reader available for Chrome, Edge, and Firefox. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.